I finally figured out now after 8 years of business what the core philosophy of our company is. It's called the employee experience. Truly, this is our core philosophy. Like when I opened this company, I was really big on, we got to come up with our company philosophy, right? This big mission statement, right? And who agrees that your general mission statement, if you're in the mortgage industry, you'd assume is to help potential home buyers achieve the American dream of home ownership and to find stable homes to raise their family and children. You guys follow me on that one? Yeah. It's like big and long and stuff like that. Honestly, I just didn't do it. I was just like, it's too long. It's too hard to remember. And it sounds like everybody else, whatever. I've over the last year, what I've been saying to people is we're about the employees. It's about the employee experience. And this is what I'm focusing more and more and more on, whatever. Well, I'm reading the book, Built to Last, and it literally said Hewlett Packard, which used to be Hewlett and Packard. You guys heard of Hewlett Packard, HP? It said in 1950, Bill Packard said, it's all about the employees. If it's not about the employees, we don't do it. Merck, which is a pharmacy company, whatever, Merck said, people before profits. That was their big mission statement, people before profits. So honestly, I think this is our core philosophy. It's the employee experience.